Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have very special and exciting shopping episode because we are going back to Celine. Yes guys, so I'm so happy to be back at this store. I always have very fun and memorable experience. I'm going to try to put and link everything on the description box below. Prices and links on where you could shop these very beautiful bags. So I'm hoping you guys to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click at this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, the next shop that we are going to visit is we are going to check out Celine. Alright, so let us check out first the window display. I'm so excited to be back here at Celine. They have always amazing customer service and of course so many beautiful eye candies. So let's start first with this Celine shoulder bag for 215k. Are you a fan of this style? We have very beautiful shoes. Later guys, I'm going to show you more shoes inside with prices. I'm very excited to be sharing our episode for today. Let us start first with this itty bitty cute Celine bag for 115k. The name is Mini Taboo and smooth calfskin leather. Guys, I would be linking everything on the description box below. And this is my new favorite. This is the very famous Celine Triumphe wallet on chain. Price is 99,000 Philippine pesos. Material is smooth calfskin leather, and how beautiful is the gold hardware. Let us check out more bags here. We have a hobo bag for 120k. It is the mini bucket QUIR Triumph. As you can see, so many beautiful bags here.
So kaya medyo mabilis ang mga ano din namin dyan.
This is 170.
195. Nag-price increase din kami. Halos LG ang
190.
ano, tumaas.
This is 99. 170. If you are interested to hear our more mod shot of the Celine wallet on chain, how cute it is. But guys, please take note that again, it is wallet on chain. You would need to manage down the things you would need to fit inside this very beautiful bag. Look at the gold hardware, so gorgeous. The CA inside actually doubled up the chain. She showed me different ways on how you could wear this one. So in this style, you could wear it as a shoulder bag. Let us check out some more eye candies inside the store. How about some beautiful ready to wear? How cute is this jacket over here? They have the classic white shirt. They have tank tops. They have denim. This is so cute, how gorgeous the material is. More spring summer ready to wear pieces for you. So we have floral dress over here. Kind of reminds me of a design by Balenciaga. We have here Celine shirts. We have button down here. Just look at the detail with the Celine buttons as well. I love this little black dress. As you're going to see, the neckline is made entirely of crystals. We have tweeds, we have sequin dresses. I really love the tweed detail and the Celine logo. Looks really chic. Here I am trying this classic Celine belt bag for 145k. What do you think of this style? So we have more beautiful eye candy, so we have 230k. What else? So we have, of course, the classic CELINE Nano luggage for 185k. How beautiful is this deep gray color? Another luggage for 155k. We have CELINE scarves. They have baseball cap, so they have also the logo cap over here and some beautiful sunnies. Again, let us go back to the ready-to-wear pieces. Are you liking anything so far, guys? I would love to hear from you. So if you're liking anything here and would want to be adding on your wish list, please do comment down below. And again, guys, I would also like to share that you could purchase these from celine.com.ph. They have the they have the prices in Philippine pesos, and they do ship it within the country as well, and it already include the duties and taxes. So we have more very beautiful ready to wear pieces. They have monogram top here. How beautiful is this sports jacket made of shearling? It has the CELINE logo. We have more shirt over here. This really reminds me of Lisa of Blackpink. What do you think? Floral skirt over here. Loving this like army green top. Ooh, so the t-shirt comes in black. I love this t-shirt. I believe the price of this one is around 30,000 Philippine pesos. So here I am trying the AVA. Again, the price of this one is 99k. What do you think? So we have the classic TRIOMPHE bag for 230,000 Philippine pesos. We have the smaller ones, very cute color. Then we have this for 180k. Guys, just look at these very beautiful shoes. I think I am in love with their platform shoes. This one, it's so nice. Only price at 39,500. We have boots. This one, noting this one, super cute. I feel that I would be able to rock these. As you know, guys, I am such a huge fan of platform shoes. They are the main design of my shoe line, Monster shoes. That's why I feel these are perfect. Here I am trying the AVA bag in leather. So the style of this one, the strap is fully detachable and adjustable. I think this is also perfect with the quiet luxury trend that is going on right now. So let us check out more CELINE shoes. So they have gladiators for 55k. Then they have slip-on gladiators for the same price. They have socks. Then of course they have their classic sneakers over here. So here's a comparison of the two AVA, monogram and leather. So this is 99k and the leather version is 125k. Which one is better, guys? This doesn't come na with a longer strap, no? This is it na.
Sold separate.
The strap?
Yes.
Oh, pero what I love about this kasi
You
is...
can use other strap.
Yes, plus detachable. And I love the hardware. Super unique.
Parang you can play around. Di ka na bahala kung anong gusto mong...
Checking out more shoes. So this is for 43,000 pesos. Another gladiator slip-ons in this very beautiful olive green color. We have dad sandals, and they also are selling classic pumps for 55k. How chic are these boots for 77k. Then they do also offer loafers. They have boots. This one is so gorgeous for 72k. Wow, love these. And of course, the ultimate Celine Gladiators for 110K. Let us check out some accessories. So we have here hair clamp for 29,500 in gold and silver. They have headbands, and as you could see, it has the Celine logo. They have SLGs, like these very cute envelope clutch bags. Let's check out more ready-to-wear pieces. So here is what the store looked like at Greenbelt 3. How beautiful the interior is. More ready-to-wear pieces. Then we have here for 255K TRIOMPHE bag with crystal embellished logo. Then we have the 16 bag for 210K. Here we have 83K classic top handle bags, and we have more TRIOMPHE bags. Anyone interested in this hat for 46,500, perfect for summer. Then this one is 195K. So it's a TRIOMPHE shoulder bag in the Celine canvas. What do you think? How cute are these Celine TRIOMPHE belt bag? So it comes in leather, it comes in canvas option as well. So they do have sunnies, price starts at 30K. They do have the clutches as well. So they have the denim clutch for 41,500, offering wallets and SLGs as well.
The hardware is also cool.
Again, checking out the wallet on chain for 99K. I am really so in love and so close in adding this to my collection. So again, checking out the belt bag. They're offering straps that you could purchase on top of the bag. Then we have the luggages, tote bags, and more eye candies for you. Trying this very cute shoulder bag for 84,000. Again, the material is the Celine canvas. Last look at this very beautiful TRIOMPHE bag. So this one is 195K. We have the teen TRIOMPHE and we have the classic TRIOMPHE. Price of this one is 250K. And then we have canvas suit for 125K. We have tote bags in leather. Again, checking these cutie, teeny tiny belt bags. So guys, what do you think of the Celine canvas? I would love to hear from you. Would you add a Celine canvas bag, or would you rather choose a leather version like this? Hi guys, hope you enjoyed our episode with Celine. There, did you enjoy our shopping episode for today? So kindly comment down below among the very beautiful bags and SLGs we have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite and possibly adding to your wish list. Again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, a million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of vlogs here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!